There's something that almost every Amazon KDP publisher experiences at some point. You publish a book, you start making sales, you are very much excited. Then after some weeks or just few months, sales begin to gradually drop. After some time, your sales just completely dies. And the first thought most people have is that maybe the book has just died and they just leave the book and move on to the next. But here's the truth. Most books on Amazon are not dead. They are just poorly positioned, and with the right adjustments, you can actually bring them back to life. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. The first thing you must do is you need to add something new to your book interior. You need to understand that your book is not just competing on the outside, it's also competing on the inside. If your interior is just basic and it just looks like every other thing out there in the market, then there's no real reason for somebody to actually want to buy your book. So instead of just abandoning your book, ask yourself, what can I do to make this book better? It could be that you add extra pages, bonus sections, improved layout, better structure. Even a small increment can massively increase the perceived value of your book. And it is something that you can always write in your book description as a newly added feature and also highlight in your book cover. And that extra feature you added to your book interior makes your book looks more valuable, and value is what drives buying decisions. This is actually what big time authors are doing to their old books that always make their book have this fresh look in the current market. And it makes complete sense for you to do the same thing to an old book that you have that is not making any sales for you. The second thing you need to do is to change your book cover. This is one of the most important changes you can make. Your book cover is the first thing that people are going to see. And if your book is not getting clicks most of the time, I mean almost all the time, is because of your book cover. Not your niche, not your title, but your book cover. So look at the top selling books in your niche and compare your book cover with theirs and be very honest with yourself. Does your book cover look good as theirs or even better? If not, just redesign it, because on Amazon, better covers equals more clicks, and more clicks equal more sales. If you find it very hard to design attractive covers that would bring sales for you, then you should just join my inner circle, where there's a full recorded video of where I teach how you can actually design attractive covers that will generate sales for you. Plus, you get to learn a bunch of other things that you have to know in order to succeed on Amazon KDP. And there's also a weekly Q&A sessions where you get to ask any question you have that you're struggling with on Amazon KDP, and I get to answer it for you. There's a link in this video description where you can just click and it will take you to where you can join. The next thing you can do to revive a dead book on Amazon is to change your book description. Most people ignore this part, but your book description is like a sales page. If someone clicks on your book and does not buy, there are two primary reasons why that would happen. One is your book description, and the second is your A+ content. Like I always say, your book description is not a summary of your book. Your book description is an ad for your book. There is a powerful system that I use to write my book descriptions that has helped me generate sales for my books on Amazon. And I've also turned the system to a template that anyone can use for any niche on Amazon, and you still get the same results. If you join my inner circle, you are also going to see the template and also a full video teaching you everything you need to know about book description. Now, the next thing you need to do, which some people might not agree with, but is something I know that works very well on Amazon, is that you need to increase your price. Yes, increase your price. I know that sounds strange, but the truth is that on Amazon, a low price can actually hurt your book. Price affects perception. The thing is that if your book is cheap, people are going to automatically think that your book has very low value. Increasing the price of your book can position your book as a more quality book, attract serious buyers, and also increase your overall conversion. Sometimes the problem is not that your book is too expensive. It might just be that your book is too cheap to be trusted. Plus, you can totally justify the price of your book by the new features you have added in your interior. Another thing you can do to revive a dead book on Amazon is to make a complementary book to it. This is where things get very powerful. Instead of relying on one book to succeed, you can create another book that would power the sales of the other one. So for example, if you have a book that is a kid's magic book, you can actually create a workbook around it. The sixth thing you need to do to get your book up and running on Amazon is that you need to start running multiple ad campaigns on your book. If your book has no visibility, your book will not get sales. Simple. Amazon is a marketplace that is driven by attention, and one of the fastest way to get attention on Amazon is by running ads for your book. But instead of just running one ad, you can actually run multiple ads for your book without spending so much money. This will help you maximize all the options that is available for your book to start getting more visibility. If you have not already subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button right now. If you don't know how to run ads on Amazon, you will just end up wasting your money on Amazon and your book is not going to get sales. There's a system I developed to run ads for my book on Amazon over the years. It has helped me become very profitable when I'm running ads with my books on Amazon. And if you want to know the exact system that I use to run ads on my book, then you should watch this video here where I teach the step-by-step process that you can actually use to run ads for your book on Amazon and get the results that you want.